Hello everyone, welcome back to AI-Driven Insights, your go-to channel for exploring the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence. Today we're diving into the fascinating realm of AI applications in energy, optimizing operations and efficiency. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. Now on to the main event. The energy sector, a powerhouse of progress, is undergoing a revolutionary transformation thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword here, it's a game changer. From optimizing operations to enhancing efficiency, the various ways AI is reshaping the energy landscape are numerous. One of the key areas where AI shines in the energy sector is predictive maintenance. Consider a world where machines inform us when they require a checkup. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to predict equipment failures before they transpire, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. It's akin to having a crystal ball for your energy infrastructure. Welcome to the era of smart grids. AI is transforming traditional power grids into intelligent networks capable of balancing supply and demand in real time. Smart grids optimize energy distribution, reduce waste, and contribute to a more sustainable future. It's a win-win for both providers and consumers. AI doesn't stop at the production level, it extends its influence into our homes and businesses. Energy consumption optimization is a rising trend. Smart devices equipped with AI algorithms learn user patterns and adjust energy usage accordingly, leading to significant cost savings and a greener footprint. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are pivotal for a sustainable future. AI plays a crucial role in their integration. From forecasting energy production to optimizing storage and distribution, artificial intelligence ensures that renewable energy becomes a reliable and consistent part of our power mix. Time to delve into some real-world examples. From AI-driven drones inspecting power lines to machine learning algorithms fine-tuning energy production, we'll explore how leading companies are leveraging AI to create a more resilient, efficient, and sustainable energy landscape. Of course, no transformation comes without its challenges. We'll discuss the hurdles AI faces in the energy sector and peek into the future to see what exciting developments lie ahead. Spoiler alert. It's a future where AI and energy work in harmony for the greater good. That's the end of our exploration of AI applications in energy. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more AI insights, and until next time, signing off from AI-Driven Insights, stay curious.